Caitlin.
You gotta hold on.
Push.
Hold on.
Push. Boom.
She's gotta keep. She got.
Woo! Almost did it.
Take her outside. Go.
Go. Turn the wheel.
Oh!
She laughed.
Okay, go. Go. Go.
Turn it. Turn the wheel.
Okay, turn the wheel.
She's like looking back going, what the heck?
Turn. Turn.
Oh, look at it. Oh, like I wonder how long it was itching her for. You gotta keep pushing.
Whoa!
Here, bring her over here. Drag her over here. Turn the wheel. Turn. Yeah, that girl. Too funny.
Wait a minute. Ready?
Oh, it's got a windshield too.
Whoa!
What is this? What is this?
It does.
Oh no, it's for keeping things.
Look at that one. Oh, what's in there?
Okay, go. Turn the wheel.
Pick your foot up. She wants to peel out. That's what she's doing. Ready?
Trying to do wheelies.
Okay, ready?
Turn the wheel. Turn the wheel.
She's been in the eggnog.
I stepped on the sit and spin.
It was in slow motion, just like it was like a drug falling over.
Whoopsies! Did you get it as you like tumbled down? So we get to see it from your point of view.
We gotta reverse?
Yeah.
I'm afraid.
You have to wait.
I'm afraid. I'm always afraid because I would be.
That's the way.
You never know what you do.
No, exactly.
Jesse, you should have said the